Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the In My Time of Need quest. To begin, you will likely encounter two Alakar warriors near the main entrance of Whiterun. Speak with them to learn they are searching for a Redguard woman. This quest presents a significant moral choice, so be ready to delve into a complex situation. Your next step is to find Sadia, who works as a waitress at the Bannered Mare in Whiterun. Approach her and she will reveal her version of events, which directly contradicts the Alakar's accusations. At this point, you must make a crucial decision. Will you assist Sadia or align yourself with the Alakar warriors? Depending on your choice, your path diverges. If you help Sadia, you'll need to find an Alakar prisoner in Dragon's Reach dungeon, potentially paying 100 gold for information on Kemaru's hideout. If you side with the Alakar, you must lure Sadia to the Whiterun stables. Confronting Kemaru in Swindler's Den involves battling several adversaries. To conclude the quest, return to the party you chose to support and report your success. You will typically receive a reward of 500 gold for your assistance. Reflect on the consequences of your decision, as this quest offers a unique moral challenge with lasting implications in your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.